Romania, a land of breathtaking beauty and ancient secrets, nestled in the heart of Europe. From the majestic Carpathian mountains to the serene countryside dotted with traditional villages, Romania is a place where history and nature intertwine seamlessly. Right in the middle of Europe, it's a country where history comes alive. Every corner of Romania tells a story, from ancient times to the present day. Rolling hills turn into tall mountains, creating a landscape that is both dramatic and inviting. Sparkling rivers flow through pretty villages, offering a glimpse into a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. Romania is a land of surprises, where the past meets the present. Here, ancient traditions coexist with modern innovations, creating a unique cultural tapestry. Romania's history is like a colorful blanket made with threads from many cultures. Each thread tells a story of a different people who have called this land home. Dacians, Romans, and Ottomans all left their mark on this awesome land. Their legacies can be seen in the ruins, architecture, and cultural practices that have been passed down through generations. You can see their influence in the buildings, language, and traditions. Each element adds to the rich mosaic that is Romania. Romania is where East meets West, making a special mix of cultures. This blend is evident in the diverse architectural styles and the vibrant cultural life. But Romania is more than just its history. It's a country that pulses with life and energy, where the old and the new coexist in harmony. It's full of life, where old traditions are celebrated with joy. Festivals, dances, and markets bring the community together, showcasing the country's rich heritage. From the exciting folk dances to the beautiful crafts, Romanian culture shows the spirit and creativity of its people. Each dance step and handcrafted item tells a story of passion and tradition. Get ready to be amazed by the friendly people and the rich culture. This is Romania, a place where every visitor is welcomed with open arms and a warm smile. A country ready to be explored. Whether you're hiking through its scenic trails or exploring its historical landmarks, Romania offers endless adventures. An adventure through time and culture is waiting for you. Come and discover the timeless tapestry that is Romania. Romania is full of amazing castles, each one a look into the past. These castles are not just structures of stone and mortar. They are the keepers of stories, legends, and the rich history of a nation. From the towering fortresses that once guarded against invaders to the elegant palaces that hosted royal balls, each castle has its own unique tale to tell. These beautiful buildings, sitting on hills and hidden in forests, tell stories of kings and queens, knights and battles. They are silent witnesses to the passage of time, standing tall through centuries of change. The architecture of these castles reflects the various influences that have shaped Romania over the years, from Gothic to Renaissance, each style adding a layer of depth to their historical narrative. They remind us of Romania's exciting history and show how skilled the builders were. The intricate designs and detailed masonry work are a testament to the craftsmanship of the artisans who built them. Each stone, each carving tells a story of dedication and artistry, making these castles not just historical landmarks, but also masterpieces of architectural design. Bran Castle, high up on a rock, is probably Romania's most famous castle. Its dramatic location and imposing structure have made it a symbol of Romanian heritage. The castle's strategic position allowed it to serve as a fortress, protecting the region from invaders and offering a safe haven for its inhabitants. Called Dracula's Castle, it's full of legends and mystery. The association with Bram Stoker's Dracula has only added to its allure, drawing visitors from around the world who are eager to explore its dark and mysterious corridors. The castle's eerie atmosphere, especially when shrouded in mist or illuminated by twilight, adds to the sense of intrigue and wonder. Even though Bram Stoker never visited Romania, his vampire story, inspired by Vlad the Impaler, is now connected to this impressive castle. Vlad the Impaler, a historical figure known for his ruthless tactics, has become intertwined with the legend of Dracula, adding a layer of historical intrigue to the castle's already rich narrative. When you go inside, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, telling stories of secrets and adventure. The dimly lit rooms, filled with old furniture and artifacts, create an atmosphere that transports you back in time. Each room, each piece of furniture has its own story to tell, adding to the castle's mystique. Further north is Pele's Castle, a beautiful example of German New Renaissance architecture. Nestled in the Carpathian Mountains, this castle is a stunning blend of natural beauty and architectural elegance. Its picturesque setting makes it one of the most photographed castles in Romania. This fairy tale castle, once the summer home of Romanian royalty, is full of fancy towers, detailed carvings and colorful glass windows. The castle's opulent design reflects the grandeur of the Romanian royal family, with each room showcasing exquisite craftsmanship and luxurious decor. Walking through its grand rooms, you'll feel like you've traveled back in time to a world of elegance. The lavish interiors, with their ornate furnishings and intricate details, offer a glimpse into the lives of the royals who once called this castle home. Each room is a testament to the opulence and sophistication of a bygone era. Romania's castles are more than just stones and walls. They are the embodiment of the country's rich cultural heritage, each one a chapter in the story of Romania. These castles have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the triumphs and tragedies of history, and the evolution of a nation. They are living museums, keeping the memories of the past alive. Each castle is a treasure trove of artifacts, paintings, and historical documents, offering a window into the past. Visitors can explore these living museums, learning about the history and culture of Romania through the stories preserved within their walls. They invite you to step back in time and explore the legends and stories that have fascinated people for hundreds of years. Whether you're wandering through the grand halls of Pele's Castle or exploring the mysterious corridors of Bran Castle, Romania's castles offer a journey through history that is both educational and enchanting. Each visit is an opportunity to connect with the past and experience the magic of these majestic structures.